Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into VWO A B testing detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the VWO website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the VWO homepage. Look for the login option, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Locate the fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you've filled in the required information, wait for a moment as the system processes your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your VWO dashboard. In case of an incorrect email or password, a warning message will appear. Double-check your credentials and try logging in again. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access. Once logged in, you can start using VWO for your A/B testing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.